Take it from me, the guys driving cabs are absolutely clueless to common sense. Not one, but two different cars trying to cut two lanes to turn cause they are oblivious. The genius in the van was coming in regardless and didn't give two shits if she hit me. This moron not only freezes when the light turns green, but then immediately pulls off to the shoulder. Look to the left as this guy thinks gunning it without looking will end well. We've got some, you guessed it, red light runners. The Denver airport is insanely easy to navigate, but apparently not for this moron in the Toyota. I really don't know why they did not put spike strips in these toll lane lines. This guy failed colors class in kindergarten. The light is yellow. How many of these cars do you think are going to stop? Almost got the pleasure of seeing these two dumbasses collide. How are people this stupid? White car is hauling ass to get that $250 ticket. Watch the white car in the second turn lane of a triple left turn. This genius turns into the third turn lane and almost puts the other guy into the wall. If this coked-out cyclist thinks I am stopping for him, he has another thing coming. Dare you to hit me, bro? $10 says neither driver has insurance. Maybe this guy is dyslexic. You can turn here, Einstein. Nothing out of the ordinary here, right? Wrong. Take a look at this degenerate coming in from the right. It's one thing if you pause at a green to make sure you don't get red light rammed, but totally different when you do so cause you are on your damn phone. Yep, that arrow is red. You know what's coming. Didn't want to wait for the train, so they did this instead. Literally almost went around this bonehead. Turn already, you donut. Keep an eye on this chick's face as she never looks left before pulling out. Then wastes most of this green arrow. For context, the bus is in the turn lane. Watch what these two rock stars proceed to do. This guy is absolutely unfit to be on any road. You think that's enough time to stop at this yellow? Me too. This sign seems pretty easy to understand, right? Not for this lady, I guess. Would everyone keep their piece of shit cars off of the highways, please? The guy in the Ioniq already lost some brain cells owning that thing, but he lost the rest right here. What on earth is this fool doing? This is a green light. Your eyes do not deceive you. But apparently this guy's eyes are glazed over. Guy in the Polestar sure is in a hurry to showcase the fact he rented the world's most irrelevant EV. Nice big spot to pull over here, but instead this idiot stops in the middle of the street. If I had $1 for every person not paying attention at green lights, I would not need a new job. Is this Porsche flexin'? Really? do you end up this far off track? Guess that's what the idiot escape lane is for. Speeding to a quick toll violation without a care in the world. This douchebag nearly sideswipes me and continues into the lane even after I blasted the horn. I'm sure he thinks the wave makes up for it though. I just can't anymore with these people. Car on the left and one on the right. Again, $10 says they definitely don't have insurance. You had an eternity to figure out where your exit was, but instead let's do this. This guy skips his turn at the stop sign. And then proceeds to stop at the green light. Can't make this stuff up. May as well close it out with another green light, grandpa. If you see this footage each week and still choose not to tip your Uber driver, there is a special place for you in hell. May God have mercy on your soul.